was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this video. Today I'm coming up with a very short one. Yes, something a lot of people don't want you to know. Me, I'm going to tell you today. Let's go there. Yeah guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how you can avert all witches attack. How to avert any witches attack. Yes, that is what I'm going to teach you today. And boom, this is something you're going to thank me for later. And I've seen a lot of people already that this is working for, and I'm seeing a lot of future comment that will be here on the middle of this video. Okay guys, without wasting your time, today guys I'm going to teach you how to use the egg of a duck. Yes, duck fowl. How to use the egg of a duck fowl to avert any witches attack. Yes, all you need is just the egg of a duck fowl, a red oil. Those are the just items you need. Yes, the egg of a duck fowl and red oil. That's just all you need, and it's very, very powerful. It may look simple to you, very, very powerful. Let me tell you some things. Sometimes a lot of people will do work, it will work for them. Some people will do it, it will not work for you. There are reasons for that, and that I'm going to teach you first, so that you will not make a mistake. Don't skip any part of this video. Yes, you see, but there's some work you are doing, right? You don't need to talk to anybody. Maybe for example, now I say, okay, you are getting egg and red oil, then you are doing the work, somebody call you, you talk, or somebody call your phone, you leave the work, you say hello. When you start a spiritual work, don't talk to anybody until you finish it. This particular one, when you are doing it, don't talk to anybody until you finish it. And when you are watching a video on any spiritual work, don't try to fast forward anything. That's the laziness for people usually have. Maybe in your ways of fast forwarding something, you will miss some better information. Don't fast forward anything. It's worth the time. So listen and learn everything. So don't fast forward anything. So maybe you fast forward anything, you might miss some better information. Okay. Now on this recipe, on this thing I'm going to teach you today, all you just need for this is just the egg of a duck fowl and red oil, and this work perfectly. All you need to do is this: get the egg of a duck fowl, get red oil. This, you normally will do this where you know that witches are attacking you, especially where you are sleeping, or maybe that do something to you in your life and you want to avert it. Okay, get the egg of this duck fowl. After you have gotten the egg of a duck fowl, then get red oil, palm oil, red oil. Don't go and ask me in the comment section, can I use groundnut oil? You are on your own. I know some people are fond of it. You ask them to do this, they will say, can I do it in the other way around? That is on your own. Don't ask me that kind of stupid question. So red oil is red oil. Don't ask me if you are going to use groundnut oil. Okay, you use red oil. Get red oil. Don't go and ask me, can I use the egg of a fowl? No, it's duck fowl, not a chicken. So you use the egg of a duck fowl. Then once you've got it, just one egg of duck fowl will serve, not more than one. Don't do it more than once, just once is okay. So you get the egg of a duck fowl, then you get red oil. After you have gotten the red oil, then you use your you use your left hand. Don't use your right hand no matter what, please use your left hand. Put that red oil in a bowl, then keep the egg of a duck fowl on a bowl, another bowl. So you use your left hand to touch that red oil, then you'll be rubbing it on the egg of a duck fowl. So you keep rubbing it. So you use the red oil to rub the whole body of that duck fowl. After you have rubbed the red oil on it, then you use your left. All these things you are doing is your left hand though. Don't allow your right hand to come in. So once you've used your left hand to do all those things, then you use your left hand as well to hold it. Make all your prayers on it. Make the prayers like whoever is attacking me where I sleep, whatever the witches are doing against me that is working against me, whatever they have done to me that is making me not to get money, whatever they have done to me that makes people to hate me, whatever they have done to me that is making that I have not gotten my husband to marry, this is what I used to destroy it. Henceforth, let me be free from them. They will see me no more. Even when they try to attack me again, they will not see me. They will not be able to see me. So make up being him a woman, being a witch or wizard, be a woman or a man from my dad's family or from my mom's family, a friend or someone I know not. Even if it happens that I did something to the person that I know nothing about, This is what I've used to avert it. Let me be free from all those things. When you are done making your prayers on it, so you take it with your right hand, with the same left hand. Go to any road people normally pass through. Don't look back while you are going, okay? So smash the egg on the road. Then you turn back, no matter what. Once you turn back, don't look back no matter what happens. Just go to your house straight. Even if you have another place to go, if you have a place to go, make sure you go to your house. Just sit there for a while. Then you can stand up and go anywhere you want to go. Or preferably, once you just come back, sit down, then get to water, go to your bedroom, take your bath, go and sleep without talking to anybody. Yes, you just do it, then you go and sleep without talking to anybody. So try this and come back and tell me the wonders. This worked perfectly. If you find this helpful so far, please kindly like this video. It means a lot to me. Just like the video, okay? Subscribe so that you will not miss any important video from me, and make it on the comment section what you want the universe to do for you. Make that prayers on the comment section. Make that request on the comment section. That I want you to also comment that this must work for me. This will work for me by the special grace of Almighty God, because nothing works without the permission of Almighty God. And remember, days in a week has importance. So if you guys are interested in days in a week and what they signify, and each and every work to do in each and every day in a week, guys, do let me know in the comment section. Then I will make a video on it especially for you guys, okay? See you guys in the next video. Love you all.